Welcome, today in front of me Honor 90 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and now tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here as can you see we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the volume of your ringtone you should swipe with your finger this white dot to the left or to the right side. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. You can adjust the ringtone volume with these volume buttons, but first be sure that here in your default volume button control you got selected the ringtone, not media. And now as can you hear, we can change your ringtone volume with your volume buttons. And also here if you just do that out of the sound settings, you can also make it by swipe with your finger here to the up or to the down on this volume panel. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.